Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a thumbnail by using vidiq without spending a lot of time, but that thumbnail will be like a quality thumbnail and your title will be very much clear. So there are two options. Either you go to Canva to do it. Like if I'm going here and from there you can write, like if you want to add uh, say a few seconds like video where you will be talking about subscribe to my channel and everything. So what you can do, just go to canva and ऊपर की side आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो, subscribe to my channel. Then you can see a lot of, like you can see, already see it, all these things. If you want to create a thumbnail, then write thumbnail YouTube, and also you can write something like digital marketing. So I would suggest you, or I would prefer you, if you prefer like creating thumbnail by using Canva or any other graphic designing tool, I think Canva is the best tool when it comes to making these kind of works. So you can, here you can see a lot of like a thumbnail. Okay, so from there what you can do is you can select any one of them will which will create some kind of interest in all the every viewers like mine. If I talk about this one, so if I talk about this element of man that they have used, so this is the most common like element. So I would suggest you to delete it. Instead what you can do is you can just go to element and type something like excited women or men. If you are a like boy, then you can use man, or a girl, then you can go for women. So you can use anything, or say any like any good graphic, or even you can use your own photo. Like I use for a few of my, but make sure it should look like that, right? If I talk about this one, so I can use it. Okay, so here I can use it, and then you can go here, minimize it a bit, take it there, and what you can do is just go to edit. You can see it here, edit photo, and when you use Canva Premium you can get one option of background remover. Then do it. Okay, here you can see it. So you can see it right here. Okay, and it's done. Okay, now coming back to this, so I want to copy my title here. So I have just removed it and I have pasted it. Okay, as it's not live, so I'll remove this live. And what I can do is I can add one text where I can write digital marketing series, sorry, online marketing series, something like this. If you want to write, or if you are going to focus on these kind of topics for maybe 2 to 3 months, then you can also give any name to your series. Or let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. uh, Let me do it. So let's, what we can do is we can add some excited items so that people will see in our thumbnail, and it will excite them to watch it, right? Or what we can do is we can just remove this. We can go to element, we can write don't, or say no. So when you see this kind of things, people will be clicking on your video and they will be watching it, right? So you can see it right here. Even you can use this. or let's go to see all, or we can go for prohibited, that is मना किया गया है. So we can use this even, and based on this you can see some magic recommendations that is suggested for us. So you can see, but I think this is fine, we can go with this, right? We can go with this one. Okay, so yeah, let's do one thing, let's make it to some other color, maybe red or blue. This blue, change all, and let's do one thing, let's turn our background white so that our content will be clearly seen. Let's see in background if there is any text which is of white color, then we can change the color. Here you can see nothing else is right here. Let's change this color to, इसको अपन रेड कर देते हैं. ठीक है. Now I'm changing this color to white, and this text to, we choose blue color. Okay, now do this. Okay, no, watch now should be in white color so that we can see clearly. Here what we can do is, this color we can enhance a bit, and then okay, it's done, and then he's standing right here. Okay, here you can see I'm just minimizing it a bit, putting it here and increasing it. Now it's done. What else we can do is, okay, like, comment, subscribe, and then done. And we can use this kind of thing downside. Okay, so that's, we are done with our thumbnail. So let me download it. Okay, done. Now let's go back to our video, and here what I'm doing is, I'm just going there, upload a thumbnail, and selecting it from our desktop. It's done now, so you can see it right here. Okay, so that's a good benefit of vidiq. So do you know, if I talk about this content, like this was my topic was, or say my title was a bit different, but then I used this AI content generator for vidiq, and you can see it here. Like I okay, the title that I decided was not the one that they are showing. Okay, so but they made it a bit better, and then they made it to this, and related to this they have given me this description, all these keywords, and here you can see video script, and this is voiceover.
Are you making LinkedIn mistakes that are holding you back from professional success? As a digital marketer, I've seen it all. But don't worry.
Okay, so this is a great way. You can see now I have two more credits. So after two more credits I need to wait for next month, or what I can do, I can just upgrade to boost. Right now I'm using pro version. So yeah, I had three left, so today I have consumed one, now I have got two more. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come any topic, just let me know, I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned, take care, bye bye.